Today, I am reviewing the MANNKITCHEN Pepper Cannon. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MANNKITCHEN Pepper Cannon is one of those kitchen tools that completely changes your expectations of something as simple as grinding pepper. At first glance, it looks like a premium, industrial-style kitchen gadget, but once you start using it, you quickly realize it is designed with one clear purpose: speed, power, and consistency at a level far beyond a traditional pepper mill. Right away, the most impressive feature is its incredible output speed. This pepper mill is reported to be up to 10 times faster than top-rated standard grinders. In real-world use, that difference is immediately noticeable. Instead of endlessly twisting a traditional grinder dozens of times to season a meal, you can season a steak in just a few cranks. What would normally take around 70 rotations with a regular grinder can be done in roughly 7 cranks with this device. That alone transforms the experience of cooking, especially when preparing multiple dishes or cooking for several people. The grinding mechanism is where this product really stands out. It uses oversized bearing-supported drive shafts combined with high-carbon stainless steel burrs. In simple terms, this means it is built for durability, strength, and extremely efficient grinding performance. The mechanism feels smooth, stable, and powerful, even when grinding large quantities of pepper. There's no struggle or resistance like you often feel with cheaper grinders. Instead, the motion feels controlled and almost effortless despite the high output. Another major highlight is the extremely wide grind range. This isn't just a basic coarse or fine adjustment grinder. It can produce everything from cracked pepper all the way down to a fine powder. That versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking styles. You can use coarse grinds for steaks and salads, medium grinds for sauces and soups, or fine powder for finishing dishes where a subtle pepper flavor is needed. The consistency across the entire grind range is also very impressive, which is something many standard grinders struggle with. The build quality immediately gives off a professional, kitchen-grade feel. The body is made from heavy-duty, solid milled and anodized aluminum, which gives it both durability and a premium weight in hand. It feels solid and stable during use, without any wobbling or cheap plastic components. This is clearly a tool designed to last for years, even under heavy daily use in a home kitchen or professional cooking environment. One of the most practical design features is the quick-release top for easy refilling. Instead of dealing with complicated unscrewing mechanisms or messy refills, the top detaches quickly, allowing you to refill peppercorns in seconds. This is especially useful during busy cooking sessions where convenience matters. Along with that, the base cup design helps keep the grinder stable and also allows for one-handed peppering, which is surprisingly useful when you're multitasking in the kitchen. The never slip adjuster is another thoughtful detail. It allows you to fine-tune your grind size without it accidentally shifting during use. Many pepper grinders tend to lose their setting over time, leading to inconsistent results. Here, the adjustment mechanism feels secure and reliable, ensuring that once you set your preferred grind size, it stays consistent throughout use. In everyday cooking, what really sets the Pepper Cannon apart is how it changes the workflow in the kitchen. Seasoning food becomes faster and more efficient, especially when cooking steaks, pasta, vegetables, or large meals. Instead of stopping repeatedly to grind pepper, you can season quickly and move on, which keeps cooking more fluid and enjoyable. For people who cook regularly or take seasoning seriously, this time-saving aspect becomes very noticeable. It also enhances precision. Because the grind consistency is so reliable, you get better control over flavor distribution in your dishes. Whether you want a bold, coarse pepper crust on a steak or a light dusting of fine pepper on a finished dish, the results are consistent and repeatable every time. Overall, the MANNKITCHEN Pepper Cannon is far more than a standard kitchen grinder. It is a high-performance cooking tool designed for speed, consistency, and durability. With its extreme grinding efficiency, wide grind range, premium construction, and thoughtful usability features, it transforms something as simple as pepper seasoning into a faster, smoother, and more professional cooking experience. For anyone serious about cooking or simply tired of slow, inconsistent pepper mills, this tool delivers a noticeable and satisfying upgrade in everyday kitchen use.